How to change Spotify premium plan. In this video, I will guide you on how to change Spotify premium plan. For this, launch open any web browser. Now head over to spotify.com. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. From here, select view account. You will get all the details about your current plan. Here, you want to select your current plan. Now you will find the option of change plan or cancel premium option. Now if you want to change your plan, simply tap on the change plan option. Now it will show you all the available plans such as student, duo, family. Simply go ahead and select whichever plan it is that you want to change into. Now it's going to mention the date of when the new plan will start. If you want to update your payment method, you can do that as well. Now scroll all the way down and tap on the change plan option. Once your plan has been changed, you will receive a notification, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.